Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so
afternoon. Again, I'm not sure when I'm uploading this. I hope you're well. I've decided to vlog again today because Lawrence and I are having a very Christmassy, nice, cozy, festive day. I have just finished my work for the day. I didn't vlog that because it's boring. Now we're going to just have a really nice festive rest of the day. I'm downstairs. I've got my gorgeous tree behind me. Probably one of my most content, happy feelings, coming down and looking at that tree every morning and turning on the train. It's just such a nice feeling. We've just put on a Guinness beef stew, which I'll take you through in a minute and show you, and Lawrence can tell you everything that goes in there. And then we're going to go on a winter walk while that's slowly simmering and getting all nice. And I think we might stop at the pub because we live right near a cozy country pub. I also need to pop to the shops because I have a whole pile of letters I'm sending to you guys. So I did in one of my previous videos ask if anybody wanted a Christmas card this year, and lots of you said yes, which I'm so happy about because I really want to spread the love, especially at Christmas, the best time of year. So I need to go and post all of these gorgeous Christmas cards to you guys. Let's start the day off today. I will take you around and show you the stew we've made, and then we'll go on a lovely cozy walk. Also, Lawrence popped to Morrison's this morning and picked up more of these, which are the best mince pies ever. You may have seen in my mince pie taste test, and also I talk about these constantly on Instagram. But they're the mince pies that I love, but they're in different packaging, and I love this packaging. I think that's really adorable and cute. Okay, here is our stew. It's in the slow cooker and it's going to stay there for the next few hours.
Ready?
Yeah.
Right, so we've got 2.5 red onions, half one which was just left over, celery, and we've got some chopped up steak. With that we've got some beef stock, we've got Guinness, we've stirred through some flour, so it's thickened it up a little bit, and we've got some mushrooms in there too. So, hopefully, delicious. Oh, and I put in a little bit of Marmite.
Oh, game changer. Anyway, so that's it, and it's all going to... Oh, is there Guinness in there?
Yes.
Did you say that?
Yes, I did. And actually there's a little bit of balsamic vinegar in there as well. We're going to put that on top of it.
Oh, so we're making it into a pie, homemade pie.
There's only difference. The only difference between stew and a pie is a little bit of pastry, and this, it's a pound. Morrison's. Pie.
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 Pie's done. We are home now, and we didn't end up going to the pub because apparently pubs aren't open during the day here. I think because we live in quite a small village, so the pub is closed between 3 and 6. Ditz, what's the matter? When I let you out, you want to come back in, so I don't get what you want. And I'm not leaving the door open because it's too cold. Anyway, so we're home. I've just been pottering about with work. I'll show you our stew in a minute because that is going really well. I was just upstairs in the bedroom tidying, and since the move I found my star machine, which is probably the best gift I've ever received in my life. This is a Sega Toys Homestar Original, so It is unreal. It's a planetarium, and basically you have this projector which is here, and you put a disc in the projector and it projects stars on the screen, on the ceiling. Real images of the solar system. You have your discs here. It also has a moving feature, so the solar system and the galaxy move. You have star clusters, you have real stars, you have the northern hemisphere disc, so you can like look at actual specific things in the universe, and the southern hemisphere, which I've got in now. Here are some pictures now of what it looks like to the human eye. The human eye actually picks it up even better than the pictures. Just really wanted to show you because it's a Christmas present that I was gifted by my dad 4 years ago, and it is still an absolute firm favourite. Incredible, like you just cannot beat lying in bed at night looking at that. It's just amazing. I will link it down below. I did post it on Instagram and loads of people were messaging me like, where is this from? I found the same one on Amazon, so I will link it down below for you if you want to treat yourself or treat someone else, because it was like my favourite ever Christmas present. I think it's about time. I'm gonna jump in the bath and then we're gonna have some homemade stew. Pie updates. So we have the pie mixture, which was in the slow cooker for most of the day.
Strain the whole lot into the saucepan, and then the solids have just gone in the pie dish. So then you've got a nice chunky pie, and you've got gravy.
And you've got gravy on the side.
Free gravy.
And it's all going to taste amazing.
Yep.
And then we've also got some mash. We've probably got enough mash for 10 people. Future editing Soph, just popping in here and kind of explaining the next few scenes you're going to see. Just because the next few clips are kind of a bit all over the place, I decided to like consolidate this vlog over like 4 different days, so I kind of wasn't explaining what's going on. But later that evening we did actually have our pizza, and oh my gosh, it was so good. So it looks amazing. It looks just like Domino's, and it's such good value for money. You get the 2 large pizzas. I think it's 2 sides and a sauce for £10. Like, it's so cheap, it's so affordable. It's definitely a lot cheaper than Domino's. Domino's, I basically have to remortgage my house just to afford it. So it's definitely worth the money. I definitely recommend trying it out. It's tasty, it is cheap, it's good. It's probably going to be our kind of go-to takeaway every now and then. Instead of like getting a real takeaway, we're probably just gonna go to Tesco and get that pizza deal. Yes, that was so tasty. The next day I actually went to Ikea, and I went on my own, which I was so proud of myself for going on my own. First of all, they had Christmas decorations up in all the little like rooms as you go through Ikea, which I absolutely loved. It just looks so good and festive and Christmassy. But I decided to go on my own just because I really needed like a nice coffee table for the living room, and honestly the coffee table that we got just I just absolutely love it. It looks really nice. Sorry, I've actually changed position. But the coffee table I absolutely love. I can't remember the name of the range, but I will put it down below for you. And it's gorgeous, like a clear glass coffee table at the top, and it has these drawers, so I can start to decorate them inside the drawers. Please give me tips of like what to put in the drawers, because I actually don't know right now. Then I went to Asda, and I'll insert the next kind of part of the day here, because I went to Asda, picked up some food, so I do like an Ikea and Asda haul. I thought I'd vlog because I bought some things today that I want to show you. I popped to my local Ikea and pick up a coffee table, which luckily I found, and I was able to get it on the trolley by myself. The car park was a different story. That was mental. Like, I couldn't get it in my car. It was so heavy. So many people were watching me struggle, but no one was helping me. Anyway, I got a coffee table from Ikea and a few other bits I wanted to show you. I've also just got a haircut. It's a little bit right now, like these things will drop a bit, but I got it cut quite a bit because I wanted it to be really super duper healthy and shiny. I like how it's nice and choppy. Also, Like, my natural hair is super duper curly, like tight curls. I don't know how she manages to tame it this well, but she does. So let me know what you think of my hair in the comments. I'm kind of nervous how short it is. I don't know if it's too short. Anyway, I'll show you the bits I got from Ikea and Asda, and let's have a cute festive vlog. Okay, I'm sorry the lighting is really yellow. Pitch black outside already, so we're just dealing with bright yellow lights. Anyway, I walked into Asda and I had to get my faves, the chalk orange profiteroles, which if you saw my food challenge video, you know these got a 10 out of 10. They are absolutely incredible. I picked up 2 boxes because I'm really nervous they're going to stop stocking them. I also picked up more of the Asda Christmas tree crumpets for my breakfast throughout the week. From Ikea, I picked up these limited edition Dame bars things, Dame little things, because it's Christmas. I just thought I want to try all the festive foods out. A big pot of hummus from Asda. I don't know if this was like part of the hummus scandal. I hope not, but I'm really hungry, so I might have some of that now. Okay, Ikea, I purchased this like little white star lamp, and I absolutely love this. It's so delicate and simple. I'm so glad I got it. It was like a compulsive buy, but I'm glad I done it. I also picked up some cookie cutters from Ikea. I'm going to be doing some baking, and I wanted to cut like a moose and a squirrel. It's all the fun shapes. I feel like these are a bit more fun. As the yellow sticker section, aka the cheap section, I found this Tex-Mex platter. Spicy potato wedges, garlic mushrooms, onion rings, and sweet corn and jalapeno fritters. So we're going to have this with our Asda Veggie Supreme pizza. This wasn't in a yellow label. This was £4 and this is like £1.80 I think. So picked up the Ikea tin of ginger thins. I'm really excited about this, and I just love tins. I love tins so much. Look how festive this tin is. Sweet clems from Asda also. I found this, which I'm so excited about. It's a carton mug, and it's like a chocolate muffin mix in a carton. It's all paper. I really like it. And then obviously I got the Ikea coffee table, which I will show you when it's up. Also, I got this t-shirt from Asda as well, which I'm so excited about. It says Brussels Sprouts. And also from Ikea, I picked up a new house plant, which I'm going to put in a basket in a second. It's a Calathea indoor plant, and I really like the leaves on this. I think it's really beautiful, and it's going to look really nice against the white walls in my house. This was also £9, and the reason I got this one from Ikea is because it's pet friendly, so it's like completely safe for cats and dogs and general pets. Now I think that looks rather good. It needs to kind of like bush out a little bit, but I think that looks really nice. And when the Christmas tree is gone, which will be such a sad moment, it will go over in that corner next to the TV, just so I have something green and alive there still. But tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Ooh. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire. And that's kind of it for today's vlog. I hope it kind of made you feel a bit festive and a little bit cozy, and I hope you guys are so excited for Christmas. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to just have some like calm, quiet time with my family. It's been like a really crazy, hectic year, and a lot has happened, and I'm kind of just like getting my head around it. I'm also so excited for the new year. Like, I'm so excited. I normally kind of get a bit sad that a year has ended, but for some reason I'm just so excited for this decade to end and for a new one to start. Not that I'm glad to see the back of this decade, but I'm just so excited for the new decade. There's so many things I want to get done in the next few years, and you guys are a massive part of that as well, to have like a fresh new start on YouTube with you guys. Anyway, yes, I'm going to try and get another couple of videos up before Christmas, but if I don't, just know there's good reasons for it, and there's going to be so many videos in the new year. I'm going to be back to my 3/4 uploads every single week. Regardless of what they are, they're going to be good. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to chat away in the comments. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Mwah. Bye.